In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to get unlimited lovable credits. We'll walk through two simple, legitimate ways to keep your lovable credits growing. Using the built-in referral feature and staying on top of community promotions. Follow along and I'll explain what to click, what to expect, and how to make the most of each option. First, open your browser and head to the Lovable homepage. On the main screen, look for the option labeled Share Lovable. This is the referral area where the platform rewards you for inviting new users. When you open it, you'll see the current reward breakdown. Typically, you'll earn a small bundle of credits when someone signs up with your link, and a much larger bonus if they go on to subscribe. For example, you might see 10 credits for a sign up and 100 for a subscription. Keep in mind that exact amounts can change over time, so always check the display on that page for the latest details. Next, click the Copy Link button to grab your unique invite URL. Share this link with people who will genuinely benefit from Lovable, friends, teammates, or communities interested in the product. Add a quick note explaining what Lovable does and why you recommend it so recipients understand why they're receiving the link. Be respectful of community rules when posting and avoid spamming. Targeted, thoughtful sharing usually leads to better results and helps you accumulate credits steadily. There's also another way to earn credits by engaging with the community. From the Lovable site, open the Community section. On that page, choose the option to join Discord. Once you're in the server, navigate to the Announcements channel, which is where official updates are posted. This is the place to watch for time-limited promos, discount codes, or special credit events run by the team. To make sure you don't miss anything, consider enabling notifications for that channel or checking pinned messages. Promotions can be brief, so look for expiration dates and instructions on how to claim offers. Read the terms on each post carefully, follow any required steps, and you'll be able to pick up extra credits whenever a new campaign goes live. That's the full flow. Use Share Lovable to invite others and collect referral credits, and keep an eye on Discord announcements for bonus opportunities. Combine both consistently and you'll keep your balance growing over time without changing how you already use the product. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.